Dear students, welcome back to our tutorials and lesson 12 of our puncture assembly device. We stopped at sectioning our base. Now we'll deal with other parts the same way. So I'll go to my puncture assembly drawing and copy my lightning piece as I did on the last tutorial. I'll select it, right click and clipboard, go to copy, come here, right click, clipboard, paste the origin, coordinates. The same way, I'll move it a little bit from here in order to put my section line. The same way as we did with the base, I'll take my help of my construction lines and I'll switch on my objects snap by F3, hitting F3 on the keyboard. This is my first, this is my second, and with vertical, this is my beginning of my section line. Here it will be the mid, and here the end of my section line or cutting plane. I'll click my cutting plane. I'll begin from here to here, up to here, and end it here. Enter. I'll choose the direct B, the symbol B as a section for the second section. My direction of cutting will be to the up, and I'll put my symbols here. I'll get rid of my cutting planes, click on the section line and go to properties. From here I'll choose line visibility between planes, and I'll close my property, hit escape, and here's my cutting line or cutting plane or section line. As we said in the previous video, when we do a section, the aim of section is to see what's inside. So we will see this counterbore hole and the holes here. This line here, we have this line, it's from the out, so I'll get rid of it by doing some trim, selecting here, enter, and taking off my line. This is the line of the edge here, and we are cutting from the inside, so it will be out. As we did before, we'll take our holes and turn them to, assign them to AM0. Here we have a line 2, and we'll assign it to AM02. My section is ready for hatching. I click on the hatch, 45 degrees, just take 5 millimeters and put it here, enter here, enter here. Oh, I'm sorry. As we see, we have two parts. In order to define the boundary of these parts, the rule of assembly drawing is to have sections or hatch lines in the other direction. So I'll undo my hatch here, 2, 3, and take the other direction of that one. We have it here, and I'll put it 1, enter 2, enter 3. So as we can see, this is the other part, and it will be in the other direction of the hatch line. This is by 45 degrees, and this is by minus 45 degrees. This way I made a section. In my second part, tightening piece, I'll take the handle, pressing handle, copy. You can simply click Ctrl C, and here clipboard to origin. Oh, we take a copy of another thing. I'll get back, click this one, right click, clipboard, copy. Oh, let's see what will happen. Clipboard, paste. It's really bad. It takes the other one. I have something wrong with my mouse. Right click, copy. Okay, go back, right click, clipboard, paste the origin. Okay, so I'll section my pressing hand 2. As we said, section, we can see the inside hole and the outside boundary. We'll omit this outside boundary by doing a trim, enter, and click here and here, enter, and we'll get rid of again 1, 2, enter, and get rid of this line. This is the outside line of the sphere here. So let us change this to assign it to AM0. It's visible now, and let us put some hatch here. It will be at the up, so I can take this one, put it here, and it's ready. Save your drawing, and see you in next tutorial.